Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Quntis IP65 waterproof outdoor LED string lights. 11.7 meter with 30 plus 3 G40 bulbs. And you can see it's really beautiful. And that, in my case, it was a lot of work to perform this awesome glued LED spots. Wow, that's really good, really good. But back to the product. 155 LEDs Patio string lights, CE standard, warm indoor and outdoor fairy lights for backyard, bistro, coffee, pergola, trees, party decoration as you like. And them they are IP65 waterproof. That means you can use them outdoor for a garden, for example. The Quntis string lights has passed the IP65 waterproof certification that makes it work normally in most extremely weather conditions such as rainy and snowy, heavy rain grade outdoor patio lights for different season weathers. This LED lights perfect fit for indoor and outdoor decoration, like patio, backyard, deck, bistro, coffee, pergola, gazebo, garden, lawn, market, wedding, what you like, gathering party and other occasions and decor things. And it's safe. CE-ROHS, CE-EMC, CE-LVD certified, and 3 volt 1 ampere extremely low voltage output power. That's nothing really. It's not hard if you touch it, and that's nothing. 3 volt. This makes the string bulbs light more safety and more energy efficient. We will never get hot even used for a long time. The wire cable is made of brass triple core wire and heat resistant insulation, durable rubber. It matched with a low voltage power adapter. This ensures our family safe. Plug in power allows us to install it anywhere, anytime. And these indoor and outdoor string lights matched with, they will come with 30 G40 bulbs plus 3 spare bulbs. All bulbs are replaceable. 11.7 meter ultra long cable to cover a large area as we need, besides each socket design with a small hanging ring above. This making it easy for installation and stable for windy weather. These bulb string lights are not dimmable and cannot connected be each other. You cannot add another fairy lights on it. Okay, this is a standalone thing. Unlike other similar string lights which use tungsten bulbs on the market, the Quntis garden strings light adopt the copper wire LED bulbs with use life at about 30,000 hours plus. It's much longer than other cheap products on the market. There are only about 1,000 hours plus. This reduces the frequency of changing the lights. This saves labor and time cost. The LED patio lights ensure quality and safety. It adds warm glory to the night. Hanging these outdoor porch globe string lights to decorate our wedding reception, for example, our birthday party, or we can enjoy a romantic dinner with our love. These outdoor hanging strings lights make a fine birthday gift, a Christmas gift, a Valentine's Day gift, a Mother's Day gift, or a Father's Day gift. It's really awesome and it looks so beautiful, as you can see. And the numbers of lights and bulbs are 30 in this set, plus 3 replacement. The lamp model is a G40. Power is 3.3 up to 4.5 voltage. The distance from the plug to the first lamp is 3 meters, and this is awesome too. The light space is 30 centimeters. The figure 8 total of about 11.7 meters, and the cable color is black. The string lights are IP65 waterproof, perfect for indoor and outdoor decoration. These lights use 3.3 up to 4.4 volts. Low voltage output power makes the bulb outdoor lights more safe and use, and it keeps cool after a long time. It's ideal lights, outdoor lighting for all what you like, really. Safety, low voltage, waterproof for indoor and outdoor, LED copper wire bulbs, long lifetime and energy saving, unique lighting decoration, and you can see their looks really awesome. 11.7 meter, that's enough. You can see it's a long range. The chain has 30 G40 bulbs on it. And the low voltage, only 0.1 watt only each bulb. That's not a lot. No worry of heat even after long time use. It can help to save 90% electricity bill of the lighting rather than tungsten bulbs. It's matched with a low voltage power adapter. This saves. This is really safe to use. And a unique design is 5 LED beads built inside each bulb. The small lines, like fireflies, one by one, creates a warm, romantic atmosphere in it. Every single light bulb has a clamp that makes it easy to fix the bulbs on branches or nails. Or you can see I used hot glue to connect them on my ceiling of the house. The garden lights are operated by means of parallel connections. Even with broken or missing light bulbs, the remaining light bulbs continue to glow undisturbed. This is another plus option here. This is a nice option, I think, because if one bulb is damaged, nothing will happen. The other bulbs keep working all day long. And it's really easy to attach, as you can see. You can put them where you like. It's easy and it's fast. Or you can glue them on the ceiling, as you can see. It's really, really, really nice in rainy conditions and windy conditions. At the sun, at snow, at dust, no problem for them. We save the TP attach because 3.3 volt up to 4.5 volt. This is really low voltage. No high energy, no high temperature. The dimension of one bulb spot with the hub is 7 centimeters overall, 4 centimeters in the wide. The first from the connection is 300 centimeters, and then each bulb is 30 centimeters away from it. Energy saving LEDs are built in, okay? Tungsten lamp is not so good because a tungsten lamp comes with 10 watt bulbs. Here is only 0.1 watt. This is not a lot. The voltage is only 3.3 up to 4.5. In another tungsten lamp, it is 230 volt. The waterproof level is IP65. For example, the tungsten lamp is only IP44. So you can see the lifespan is 30,000 hours plus. Here on the tungstens, it's only 1,000 hours. You can see there are a lot of positive for the Quntis IP65 waterproof outdoor LED string lights. And they looks really good, really beautiful. They are good packed in, and it's easy to attach, and you can use it for all decoration thing what you like, for Christmas, for summer, for fall, for spring, as you like. Everything is possible with this nice and good fairy lights. They are really beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.